Good morning. My name is Saurabh Pratap. I'm the software solutions leader at Honeywell. We have partnered recently with Uptick on their existing dashboard. Through the CLSS portal, we're extending remote monitoring and diagnostics onto the Uptick's dashboard. I think this is a great integration that Uptick has done with Honeywell CLSS and extending this both to their customers to the customer dashboard. This certainly would help these contractors to be more productive, efficient, and also save a lot of time in identifying the faults through the geospatial maps. That was a big gap that Uptick software has filled, because when you walk into a big facility like a shopping center or this exhibition hall, you don't really know where to look for those detectors. You just have a plan and then you need to just find out actually where it is. But with this kind of a dashboard, on the phone, you can actually go anywhere. So complete visibility through the visuals you're extending onto the dashboards of these people. And that is a big game changer for the service industry. As compared to the other softwares, this is a great tool which the service companies would like it, and we at Honeywell are really happy and excited to partner with Uptick to this kind of level, and I'm sure this will be just upwards from here.